Writing practice and editing with Whiteboard painted wall. Walls coated with premium whiteboard paint have an obvious aesthetic appeal. What's more, writing on vertical surfaces like whiteboard walls has been shown to help students better retain information, skills, and ideas in long-term memory. One area where whiteboard walls are beneficial teaching tools is writing instruction. Below are some ideas about how you can employ premium whiteboard walls in sentence building and peer editing activities during your writing workshops. 1. Sentence building. On the broad, open canvases of whiteboard walls, learners can write either impromptu sentences or sentences in response to a given prompt. Then, you and the class can help to pinpoint mistakes and make corrections in real time, focusing on structure, grammar, punctuation, and vocabulary. 2. Peer editing. During peer editing sessions, learners compose paragraphs or short essays in small groups on designated sections of the classroom whiteboard wall. Then they all take turns offering suggestions for improving one another's work. Ready to practice with a whiteboard painted wall? Grab your markers and start building sentences, editing, and collaborating today. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.